Hi everyone, my name's Mr. Clements and I'm the head of chemistry here at KESH Academy. Hopefully this video is just going to give you an insight into what studying chemistry here would be like. We've got really excellent resources and excellent facilities at school. We've got a bespoke chemistry lab that is designed really well to do chemistry practicals, as we have for the other sciences as well. Our results in chemistry have been really good for the last couple of years. In fact, we've had 100% A star to C grades at A level over the last couple of years. The next bit of the video you're going to see is going to be a few students just answering some questions about what studying chemistry is like day to day at KESH. If anyone has any further questions or wants any information, please just feel free to get in touch with the Academy and hopefully we'll be able to answer some questions. Hopefully it's useful and we look forward to hearing or seeing you soon. So, Anthony, what do you like about A-level chemistry?
I like the fact that you can look at a reaction and sort of see what's going on, and you sort of delve into the sort of mechanisms behind it, and I do like that factor of chemistry.
Okay. Daniel, what do you like about the lessons in chemistry?
The lessons in chemistry, it's really interactive from, so when in Gcse, it's kind of like linear, like you do like one thing, you learn it. But then in A-level chemistry, there's so many different branches that you can go off into. And I just find it more complex, and that gets more intrigued and more engaged in lesson.
Yeah. So Anthony, how would you compare A-level chemistry to GCSE chemistry?
Well, I think GCSE chemistry, you sort of learn the basics, and then with A-level, it's just sort of on top of that. So I do like it at that aspect because I can take my GCSE knowledge and further benefit onto A-level.
Daniel, do you think that A-level chemistry is more or less challenging than GCSE chemistry?
Oh, way more challenging, but it's a good challenge because when you do the A-level chemistry and you actually you understand it, you feel so much more rewarded than you do in GCSE, and I really like that aspect about it.
Alex, what would you say to somebody that's thinking of applying to A-level chemistry and they like chemistry now? What advice would you give?
If you like the basics of chemistry right now in GCSE, I think you'll like it at A-level because it's a lot more detail.
Anthony, what skills do you think chemistry's given you to prepare for when you leave sixth form?
Well, I feel like with chemistry, it's built on my chemistry knowledge with A-level chemistry, but it's also helped me with my maths as well, because half of it's half maths, and I was a bit iffy with my maths at the start, but after coming through the years, through AS and A-level, I feel more confident with my maths now, so yeah.
Great. Daniel, in terms of practicals, what sort of skills do you think you've got from practicals and experiments?
Going through the practical sheet that you get, I feel like I've got a lot more competent with doing the instructions and reading the measurements and being more precise and more accurate with everything.
Cool. Alex, if you were recommending to someone other A-levels to do along with chemistry, which ones do you think seem to tie really nice?
Biology and geography, which is what I do, and I think you can do physics as well because obviously that links really well. But yeah, it really helps with biology, especially because you understand the molecule and then how that links to a bigger picture for biology.
Great. And lastly, just for each of you, Anthony, you first, where is chemistry going to take you after sixth form?
Well, I'm looking to go study at university, so I feel like this has sort of got me prepared for that, so I'm quite excited to see where it'll take me in the future.
Cool. Daniel?
Hopefully I'm going to go into aerospace engineering, and you need to learn about the different what happens in a turbine, and there's a lot of chemistry that goes on with the reactions that go on, so luckily I've got the chemistry to help me.
Cool.
I'm going to study genetics at university, and obviously the chemistry is going to help understand the basics of DNA and proteins and genes.
Lovely.